Greetings and congratulations. I am Bob Zeidel, Interim Dean and Professor of History, and on behalf of the College Professoriate, it is my pleasure to laud your accomplishments and offer a few words of contemplation. As you complete the arduous task of earning your degree by virtually walking across the stage and receiving your diploma, please bask in the moment. You have achieved a notable success of which you should be most proud. Relish the moment. Yet, one cannot escape the novelty of the situation. The means by which the university is conducting this ceremony reflects the uncertainty of the times. The world struggles with a pandemic, the likes of which have not been seen in 100 years. When, we ask ourselves, will our lives get back to normal? Your predecessors of a century ago, the women and men in the class of 1920, likely asked the same question. They only recently had seen the end of the Great War, which we would come to call World War I, with the loss of millions of lives. The lately abated Spanish flu had taken countless others. The times appeared uncertain, if not bleak. Yet those graduates, in the succeeding years, would accomplish inconceivable and seemingly impossible feats. They would design a vast array of innovative new products, develop incredible new technologies, address daunting social challenges, and open marvelous new ways and means of communication. They had the wherewithal to engender these advancements. You, too, possess the ability to do great things. During the 1990s, Chancellor Charles Sorensen referred to Stout as the school of choice for the 21st century. You are the products of that institution. It is that century, and your time is now. Embrace the challenges of your day. Put to work the best of what you have learned at Stout, and put indelibly positive marks on the coming years. Have no doubt, you can and you will.
The College of Arts, Communication, Humanities, and Social Sciences. Entertainment Design. Brian Patrick Eichmann. Lorelei Sidonia Gillick. Alicia M. Lloyd. Zachary Scott Porter. Lindsay Lauren Seichter. Shu Long Vu. Emily Catherine Wegner. Game Design and Development, Art. Laura Emily Bultman. Aubrey Anne-Marie Edinger. Nicholas Charles Sanders. Graphic Design and Interactive Media. Caleb Michael Baston. Jacob Daniel Elliott. Elizabeth Marie Gebert. Madison Ann Gordon. Brian Douglas Happel. Tegan Cheyenne Heck. Brooke Rose Hoernke. Courtney Ann Johnson. Madeline Ruth Nettel. Claire Anna Shine. Hannah May Strupp. Elena Mary Schulz. Brittany Lee Tatro. Peyton Lynn Thiesing. Brianna Lynn Tom. Autumn G. Teo. Industrial Design. Tandra Taylor Breitzman. Blake R. Farnsworth. Zachary Stephen Follett. Benjamin Samuel Griswold, Mark Lewis Kennedy, Matthew Joseph Lissac, Alexander Pierre Marble, Garrett Robert Rudden, Michael Allen Spear, Jonathan Michael Terry, Maxwell Guy Vandenbosch Jones, Interior Design, Ashley Marie Ferry, Megan Marie Cania, Haven Marie McGovern, Emily Lucille O'Brien, Ashley Diane Parson, Celia Mary Rettler, Alexis Jean Severson, Cassandra Louise Wolfe. Studio Art, Steve Alexis, Gabrielle Elizabeth Conway, Elise Claire Lodermeyer, Olivia Jean Mayasik, Teresa Lynn Morkey, Brina Sierra Nolter, Samantha Marie Sigsworth, Natasha Jean Smolzinski, Anna Marie Strong, Shelby Catherine Vadnaeus, Gemma Louise Weston. Applied Social Science, Benjamin Boyd Bjork, Kayla Marie Bogdanovich, Aquith Lashard Bradshaw, Dion Cannon, Tori Lynn Danielowski, William Donovan Durden, Thomas William Eder Jr., Tyson Edward Hoeft, Nathaniel Edward Strand, Brooke Lee Terry, Zipporah Jeree Turnbull, Jacob Stephen Weinsch. Computer Networking and Information Technology, Corey Rotzik Detman, Nathan R. Paskey, Aaron James Swift, Brandon Robert Withers, Anthony Joseph Yanarli. Information Technology Management, Nicholas William Beckel, Digital Marketing Technology, Bria K. Bauer, Matthew James Gianforte, Bailey Notch, Roy Nangaresi, Camilla Andrea Rossell, Abby Ann Schreibner, Graphic Communications, Braden William Cliff, Lars Reeder Everson, Information Communication Technologies. Reven Lopez Acquired. Andre Bircher. Nicholas Lee Congdon. Anna M. Curler. Nicholas Cole Endvik. Michael Thomas Ewer. April Starr Kremkowski. Joseph Robert McMeekin. Bailey Notch. Blake Sheldon Otto. Wayne Nelson Poole. Denise Lynn Rogie. Rodrigo Rulas. John H. Resnick. Robert Aaron Westfall. Professional Communication and Emerging Media. Dion Cannon. Grace Genevieve Delkey. Madeline Elaine Gilbertson. Rebecca Sharon Palmer. Erin C. Plotsky. Alana Masako Rux. John Andrew Shug.